While individual health needs vary, here are 5 timeless health tips that are generally beneficial. 1. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, along with muscle-strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. 2. Balanced diet. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive sodium intake. 3. Adequate hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for bodily functions, helps regulate body temperature, and aids digestion. 4. Sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Good sleep is crucial for physical and mental health, including immune function, mood regulation, and cognitive performance. 5. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Chronic stress can negatively impact both physical and mental health, so finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential. Thanks for watching. For more informed ATIV videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel Healthy Tips with Muhammad.